Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you guys a simple and effective method that I've used to generate over $2,000 in passive income within a few days from the crypto market. Now you don't have to be an expert in the crypto space to do this. What I'm going to be demonstrating in this video is called arbitrage. Arbitrage is simply that difference in price that exists for the same commodity in two or more markets. So for example, if a bag of flour sells for $10 in a market A and the same bag of flour sells for $13 in market B, then one can simply buy the bag of flour in market A and then sell it in market B and make a profit of $3. This process is what is known as arbitrage. In the world of cryptocurrency, the commodity here refers to the various tokens and coins in existence, while the market refers to the various exchanges and token websites where we can buy or trade these tokens. In today's video, the exchanges that we will be working with are Binance and Trust Wallet. And I'll assume that you already have these apps installed on your device and that you already have an account with them. Having done that, you are going to need to fund your account with the desired amount you intend to use for your arbitrage trading. For the purpose of this tutorial, I have funded my account with $1,000. I've also added some BNB Smart Chain tokens that I'll use to pay for transaction fees. Note, all tokens used in this trading are BEP20 tokens. Our token of interest in today's tutorial is the Cartesi token, CTSI. By default, it will not be on our dashboard, so we are going to need to add it to our dashboard. To do that, click here, and in the search bar, type in CTSI. Choose the BEP20 or Smart Chain version of it, and the CTSI token has been added to our dashboard. Having done that, let's head over to the Binance app, go over to Trade. By default, what you will see on yours might be BTC/USDT trade pair. So you want to set it up to be in the CTSI/USDT trade pair. As you can see, the price of one CTSI token here is $0.08. And this is our first marketplace. The next marketplace we are going to explore is the Cartesi token website. So go to your web browser and type in cartesitoken.org. Once the website has opened up, click on this Start Swap. So here you can buy/swap Cartesi tokens with either USDT, USDC, BTC and BNB. Notice that the price of one CTSI token here is $0.0676. And because the price of CTSI is cheaper here, this is where we will be buying the CTSI token and then we'll sell it on the Binance. And so I'm going to enter the amount I want to buy, say $1,000, and that would get me 14,792 CTSI tokens. Then I'm going to choose the token I want to pay with, which is the USDT BEP20 token. What this means is that I'll be buying CTSI token from its website at $0.08 and selling it on Binance at $0.0676. And if we quickly look at the price difference, it is almost about 19%. That means if I go ahead with this trade, I'll be making a minimum of $190 profit on this first trade, and I'm cool with that. So I'm going to go ahead and click buy. So you'll be redirected to this Trust Wallet page where you'll need to complete the payment process. So just click next and confirm. As you can see, 1,000 USDT has been deducted from my account, along with some BNB Smart Chain tokens for transaction fees. So I'll just refresh my wallet and wait a little while for my CTSI token to be credited. So I've just received 14,792.89 CTSI tokens, which is worth about $1,198 here on Trust Wallet. The next thing I'm going to do now is send these tokens over to Binance and sell it off for USDT. So I'm going to go over to Binance and click Wallet, then search for CTSI. Click on Deposit and choose the BEP20 network, then copy the address. I'm going to go over to Trust Wallet and send the CTSI tokens to the Binance address I just copied. Click on CTSI token. Click Send, then paste the address I just copied from Binance. For amount, click Max to send everything, then Next and Confirm. I've sent all the CTSI tokens. So I'm going to go over to Binance to see if it has been credited. It usually takes a few seconds for the tokens to be deposited. So just refresh and wait a little while. So the CTSI tokens have been successfully deposited. The next thing we are going to do is go to Trade. Click on Sell because I want to sell off my CTSI tokens. Click on Limit and choose Market. What this means is that I want to sell at the current market price. Then for the amount, you can either enter it manually, or you can click this last point here for the maximum amount. Then click on Sell CTSI. If you have done that, then go back to Wallet and refresh your wallet. As you can see, the CTSI tokens have been converted to USDT. And this is how the arbitrage system works. And so I've just made $201 in profit within a few minutes. This can be repeated many times for as long as the price gap still exists and you're comfortable with the margin. Now, buying and selling actions can and will definitely affect the movement of prices in both markets, and that will also affect the price difference. So it's always a good practice to enter with big amounts when you spot a good price gap. So go ahead and give it a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. I'll be here to answer any questions you might have. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. See you in my next video.